It's been a few days. I emailed the manufacturer of the motor, it's Reassembling, and I asked them what capacitor I need and where does it connect. Nice man, after a few hours, emailed me back. I'll put the diagram on the screen, but basically capacitor across these two terminals, and he told me what size capacitor to buy. And it's big. It's a big capacitor. Look, it's huge. 65 microfarad, 450 volts AC, across there, and we'll see if the motor will start and spin the same direction every time. Then we'll put the pump back on and see if it will actually spin the pump. Right, let's put this on. Okay, capacitor is connected. Let's connect the power and we'll give the contactor a poke and see if the motor will spin. Okay, let's activate the contactor and see if the motor will spin. You can see the motor, that's fine. The answer is no. So now we have to try the capacitor across something else. Don't forget to discharge your capacitors once you've turned the power off. Make sure there's no residual charge left in the capacitor, because you will get a dunt off of it. Right, let's swap them around and try something else. Hey! There we go, that's better. See him going in the direction I thought it would. Right, next stage is put the pump back on and see if it'll actually pump water. Next stage, hose on, lance on, and then we'll turn it on and see if it, well, I should press the button now and see if it actually spins. That's a good idea. Let's do that. On off. Ah! Fucking just spat water at me. There's water in my crock now. Okay, the pump works. Let's see if it makes pumpy pressure. Okay, after a small intermission involving power and rain and things, I am ready to connect the hose, which should have water in it. Hey! Oh, I can hear it. Right, that's clicked in. Pressure washer lance is connected to the output. I've got electricity. Now I'm going to set this phone thing down somewhere. Okay, I'm going to grab the lance, squeeze the trigger, turn it on, and hopefully it should fire up and we get pressure washered. One lance, one squeeze, and Bob Durante. Okay, right, first start's a bit lumpy. So we had a bit of a pressure leak from there. So I'll tighten that back up and then fire it back up again and see if that works. Right, let's try that again. Turn it on. And wash! Okay, so that works. Right, that bit works. Now, the other bit is the diesel burner, and it doesn't work. So I've taken off the burner head and the ignition box because the igniter doesn't work. So I've got a new one of them ordered, and we'll see that and then fit that. Right, this is the original ignitor thing, the thing that makes a spark across the two electrodes to light the diesel from the diesel. It's really simple. It's just a nozzle and high pressure, well, semi-high pressure diesel gets squirted into mist and is ignited between those two things by an arc. The old one is not making an arc, so I've ordered a new one, it should be a direct replacement, same power connector and electrode connectors. So if I turn it on, there you go, there's the arc that ignites it, and well, if you do it with our one, you don't get an arc, so there's no point showing you a video of no arc. But just have to put all that back in, and then we'll fire it up with diesel and see if it lights.